Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Shillis Videz here, and we're going to talk about algorithm armor. Now, what this is going to do, it's going to look badass, number one, and number two, you can't be tracked by the algorithms. It's like your own armor to protect against surveillance of the algorithms using the hashtags. So all you hashtag ape strong together, you're going to need to get you some algo armor. So that way you're not telling everybody your battle plans, hugging each other after the show and everything. So let's take a look at Algo Armor. Now, this is free. I'm not pushing some product. You make your name look all fancy right here by going to lingojam.com/glitch text generator. It's pretty badass because you can make the craziness level go all crazy right here. Look at that shit. I went full crazy in this shit. Lingo Jam it up. Algorithm Armor. Yo, hashtags look like shit compared to this. So what are you waiting for, dude? Go and do it. Actually, you don't even have to do it. I'm just showing you this shit's cool, and I'm doing it for me. So, Shillis Videz out. I appreciate your time, and I hope you choose to protect yourself against those algorithms and get away from them old hashtags. If you're going to do anything hash, smoke it. I mean, if you want. Shillis Videz out. Thanks for your patronage and service and patience. I appreciate you and hope you have a great day.